So here's a few key factors that the court may consider when they're looking at whether or not custody should be modified. Sometimes the other parent has fallen into some criminal problems. Now, we hope that doesn't happen for anybody, but unfortunately it does sometimes. And if a person has obtained charges for any criminal offenses, whether it's domestic violence or drug charges or theft or anything else, to me, that would be an important thing that we need to immediately let the court know. Another key factor can be whether or not the other parent has the financial ability to care for the child. Sadly, sometimes a person loses a job, they lose their housing, some people even wind up living in their car with their children. That's not a situation any child should have to be in if there's any other option. That would be a factor that the court could consider. The situation of the other parent, the financial situation that's going on. Sometimes, God forbid, sexual abuse or physical abuse or emotional abuse has occurred to the child in the home of the other parent. Maybe it's not even the other parent that's done it. Maybe it's their spouse. Maybe it's even another child who lives in the home. That can be a factor the court could consider if the child is suffering some kind of abuse in that home. There are a lot of factors that play into whether or not a custody change should occur. Here's the important thing. If you're concerned about it, you want to make sure that the court knows what your concerns are. We have a whole team of people who work in our firm that work to put together all the evidence, all the exhibits, everything necessary to get admissible and relevant evidence into the court to show the court why your concerns are legitimate and why the court should share your concerns and should change custody over to you.